Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngibona laphana kuma-social platforms bafethu khona umuntu obhala ukuthi i-Chiefs ine-chance enkulu noma i-chance engcono ukuthi iwine i-league than i-Orlando Pirates, noma i-Orlando Pirates ebonakala ngathi i-team edlala kahle kakhulu manje, but uthi iqiniso ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates they've mastered the art of looking dangerous without dominating a full season. Usho ukuthi lana nje uchaza ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates iqala kahle kakhulu, abantu abaningi bathuke but-ke abakwazi uku-maintain-a i-standard sabo isizini yonke. Na-last season siyibonile i-Orlando Pirates iqala kahle kakhulu but only for them to drop second half of the season. Badrobha kabuhlungu kabi. I remember they started I think 7 games undefeated, then-ke after lapho baqala ukuluza ama-game unnecessary. But i-P_S_L uyaqhubeka lana uthi-ke i-Orlando Pirates ilokhu njani iyi-P_S_L iyi-Arsenal yala ku-P_S_L, njalo i-team okumele ibhekwe forever dark horse, but-ke they are the ones they're never the ones who close the deal when it matters. Uthi yiy'ngane ezi-Sundowns unumber 2 ofuna ukuba unumber 1 for the next 20 years. Uthi nje kufana naku-CAF excitement, league excitement nayo izoya phansi, but bona bayalazi and it has been so for the past 13 years. Yeah, what a statement bafowethu. I think ngingabuyela kule statement saka-Ethan Cheslet methi if khona i-team ezosusa iMamelodi Sundowns laphana kuze kuma-champions wase-South Africa i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sobona isizini yinde, Orlando Pirates iya-compete, i-Kaizer Chiefs iya-compete, iMamelodi Sundowns obviously yibo abane-experience kakhulu. But Orlando Pirates, they've been following Mamelodi Sundowns for some time, for isikhathi eside kakhulu, so even for bona I'm sure akusekho mnandi bafowethu. We don't know, they will be tested this season obvious ukuthi ba-maintain le form le yabo, because badlala ngespeed esiphezulu kakhulu. Like mawubabheka like ispeed abadlala ngaso kuyagijinywa laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, ku-quick, ku-fast, i-style sakaWadu ukuthi akwazi ukuwina ama-games. So far siyabasebenzela leso style leso because of bayakwazi ukuwina ama-games, bayakwazi ukulwa ngempela. So bona second half of the season ukuthi ngeke sibone ama-cracks na maybe i-performance ye-Orlando Pirates iyaphansi, but so far man, I mean i-performance yabo i-right kakhulu. Obviously-ke bazodinga ama-standout player, one of the standout players wabo abafana nabo-Apolisi ukuthi a-remain there on top of performing, or their top performance. They mustn't drop the ball. Muremi baqale kahle kakhulu laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, and then with the reintroduction of Orlando Mofokeng, we'll see ngempela ukuthi Orlando Pirates izodlala kanjani, because kuma-wing aba-powerful to be fair. Yabona ama-wing Orlando Pirates are-powerful, but abanayo i-number 9 the go-to number 9 ukuthi hhayi lo uzobashayela amagoli. Mawubheka iy'trikers zakhona u-Evidence Makgopa akusiwo umuntu ozobadilivela amagoli. uMbuthuma previous game yakhe ukwazile ukukora lapho nalapho, kubonakala ngathi uye ozoba ngconywana ku-striking department, because mawubheka ne-coach ye-Orlando Pirates I believe ukuthi ine-strike esi-powerful. Inokudlala without i-strike, kuthola ukuthi idinga amagoli. Sayibona mayidlala neLupopo without i-striker. But yeah, they have a powerful team bafowethu. It's only a matter of time until isibone ukuthi they will maintain this performance. So bona i-league mayivula February or late January ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates izoshape kanjani. Whereas i-Kaizer Chiefs, they don't have that much of i-pressure ukuthi badeliver i-league. Why? Because I mean last season bafinishe as number 9. I-success yabo they will be mabangakwazi, abantu abaningi bayasho nje ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs mayengafinisha ku-top 3 kuzoba right, kuzoba i-success for bona ukuthi from number 9 to i-top 3, that's a big achievement. And maku-top 3 uyaqualifya ku-CAF football, maku-number 3 uqualifya ku-CAF Confederations Cup, maku-number 2 uqualifya ku-Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs ifuna i-Champions League, ifuna ukubuyela ku-Champions League, i-compete ku-Champions League nama-teams are different from all over the continent. This season kumele bamisele kakhulu, bane-squad esikhulu. Obviously baqala laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup, so bona i-performance yabo ukuthi izohamba kanjani. asazi ukuthi ukutravel e-Afrika kuzoba affecta kangakanani nokupostpone ama-game, ukudlala i-catch up njengamanye ama-team ukuthi kuzoba affecta kanjani kangakanani. But-ke konke siyokubona around February. Yabona February malibuya ibhola full force kudlala ama-game amaningi kakhulu. Sobona-ke lapho ukuthi are they gonna be able to handle the fatigue, bayibiza nge-jet lag lento leyo yokundiza, ukukhathala, zonke nje izinto azobe badila nazo. But yeah, for the first time esikhathini eside ngishilo ukuthi ibhola lase-South Africa lizoba exciting because of ama-big threes amisele ne-Kaizer Chiefs joining the party for years and years. Bekuyi-Mamelodi Sundowns ne-Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates abakhompithayo laphana. So far obviously siyabona ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns, they've really dropped the tempo, they've dropped the speed, they've dropped like the high level performance under Miguel Cardoso. Mamelodi Sundowns abayisabi that much abantu, to be honest. So kuyi-team, yes, i-team inama-players agood yona, angifuni ukuqamba amanga, agood, but-ke ucoach o-questionable because obviously unama-player wakhe, unokufavor kwakhe, but i-team egood, yabo. Kaizer Chiefs and their chances of winning the league, ikhona i-chance bafowethu, ikhona i-chance. Uma ngikhuluma izolo ngishilo ukuthi ikhona i-chance, they have to make sure ukuthi bayawasha ama-team amancane. Bakhohlwe o-Pirates no-Mamelodi Sundowns, bafocus kuma-team amancane. Into enkulu ukuthi kumele kushawe amagoli e-serious, bane-strike eziwu-8. So i-strike, obviously competition i-high for the places laphana Kaizer Chiefs. The boys know that they have to deliver. And if Kaizer Chiefs iyakwazi ukudeliver whether i-league or i-CAF Confederations Cup, kuyoba yi-success kakhulu. And amaplayer amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs azothola ama-contract, cause masibheka amaplayer amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ama-contract wabo ayaphela. Amaningi ayaphela ama-contract by end of 2026. So imagine them contributing to i-league or i-CAF Confederation, CAF, is it CAF? Yes, CAF Confederations Cup, ukuthi bakwazi ukuwin. Management izoba happy kakhulu, ikwazi ukugcina ama-player lawa delivile, and then they can build on that thing yokuthi bakwazile. Okay, ngifuna ukubheka something la online. Omunye uvele wathi hayi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ifinishe, ngeke ibe better than iSikhukhune United laphana ku-league. Baluzile laphana kuSikhukhune United first round laphana at home, bazoluza futhi ku-second round. Ngeke ba-collect 6 points from Orlando Pirates. They haven't done so in years. Also, I don't see them beating Mamelodi Sundowns away. They drew first leg. Chiefs, uthi Kaizer Chiefs i-top 8 team nje kuphela, kusho ukuthi akusiyi team engacompete for i-league. Izoba ku-top 8 but not for i-league. Well, I don't, okay, I think the worst if bangafinish outside the top 3, I would consider that being a failure, because bane-squad esibetter than wonke ama-team amaningi. Well, maybe isquad esingaba ngcono is Sundowns and Pirates, but amanye ama-team, they're not better than Chiefs in terms of squad, to be honest. They are not. So there's no reason for Kaizer Chiefs to finish outside the top 3. I think what would be welcome or forgiven ukuthi bafinish ku top 3. But going for the league, I mean, it's there for the taking. It's just for bona ukuthi bakwazi ukulock kunjani perform abafowethu phela, deliver. Kuzoba nzima ukudlala Orlando Pirates na 13 years ingawini league, 18 years. They've been chasing it, but i-league abayitholi. Bayakwazi ukwawina ama-cup, but i-league eshiya into ebahlulayo, cause i-league i-30 games bafethu, like njengoba kuhlezi kusho ukuthi marathon. So akusiyo into odlala manje uyiwine manje, let's say njenge-cup udlala ama-game ayi-4 so ku-final or so uyiwinile. No, i-league thatha 30 games, and the second half of the season abantu bayakhathala, bayabonisa ngempela ukuthi i-fatigue say there, ukuthi they've outdone themselves maybe for the first 15 games, and then after lokho namanye ama-team sewavukile because of awafuni ukusurvive i-relegation. So second half of the season kuliwa kakhulu bafethu, every game inzima kakhulu because abantu bafuna ukusave imisebenzi yabo, abafuna ukuya ku-National First Division, abanye bagijimisa amanye ama-league, abanye bagijimisa i-top 8. Nje second half of the season ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo. So if you wanna do something great, you have to collect ama-points first half of the season, 'cause second half kunzima kakhulu. I remember playing for this coach wayethi i-league iwinwa first half of the season, not second half. If you do well, let's say kuma-15 games akho wina ama-game awu-14, second half by the time bevuka abanye wena sowule, yabo? So, yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates for the league. TY, Orlando Pirates ayina chance compared to i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-history esho kanjalo. Danko bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.